Hello, I'm Mathieu Pioche from Édouard Herriot Hospital in Lyon in France. We are presenting here a short video to explain our study called COCAGI, which was a comparison, a randomized comparison between colon capsule and CT colonography for patients with positive FOBT who never underwent a colonoscopy. This study was performed thanks to a collaboration between the radiologist of the region, the gastroenterologist of the region, and the two non-profit organizations who are in charge of the colorectal cancer screening in our region. These two non-profit organizations are called ADEMAS 69 and VIVRE 42, and they are in charge of the organization of the colorectal cancer screening, and when a test is positive, they are responsible of the motivation of the patient by sending many letters to try to recruit the patient to propose him a colonoscopy in order to detect early colorectal cancer. In France, around 10% of the patients with a positive FOBT will never undergo the colonoscopy, probably because they are afraid of the colonoscopy. So the idea was for this patient who had a positive FOBT and who received the 3 letters to motivate them to perform this colonoscopy. For the patient who never responded, who never answered to any of those letters, we tried to design a study proposing them either a colon capsule endoscopy or randomly a CT colonography to compare the recruitment we can have by proposing a non-invasive procedure and by comparing these two kinds of non-invasive procedure. So 756 patients were targeted, and half of them received a proposition of colon capsule and half of them a proposition of CT colonography. Finally, 5% of the patients really underwent a colon capsule endoscopy, and 7.4% of the patients realized the CT colonography. Some of the patients received the letter to proposing a non-invasive procedure, but they preferred to do a colonoscopy. And finally, following this letter, 9.8% of the patients in the colon capsule group underwent a screening procedure, either a colon capsule, either a CT colonography or a colonoscopy, because some patients prefer the colonoscopy or a CT colonography even if we proposed them a colon capsule. So 9.8% really realized the screening procedure in the colon capsule group, and 10.8% realized a screening procedure in the CT colonography group. There were no significant difference between the two groups, so proposing a colon capsule or a CT colonography is as effective to recruit those patients. When we analyzed the result of the CT colonography or the colon capsule endoscopy, more potentially neoplastic lesions were detected with the colon capsule than with the CT colonography. And if we check, finally, 15 of the 20 non-invasive procedures in the colon capsule group versus 10 among the 28 procedures resulted in a further colonoscopy recommendation. So even if the patient performed a CT colonography or a colon capsule, many of them will finally have a diagnosis of potentially neoplastic lesion, and we will recommend a new colonoscopy not to detect this lesion but to treat it. So finally, a lot of those patients, even if the non-invasive procedure is done, it results in a further recommendation of colonoscopy. At the end of the study, 25 patients received a recommendation of performing a colonoscopy because of a potentially neoplastic lesion, but only 10 of them, so 40% only, really performed this colonoscopy. So in our study, the the strategy of proposing a less invasive procedure to screen the patient with positive FOBT is not very effective, and when it is done, a lot of them will have a second recommendation of colonoscopy. So we finally have to insist that the colonoscopy is the best way to detect those patients, because many of them will have lesion, and finally the colonoscopy is the best way for this patient at the same time to screen them, but also to treat them of the lesion. So we hope you will read our work with interest, and we thank you very much to select it for publication, and we are open for discussion if you want by email. Thank you very much.